How to clear Reddit history. You can remove your local browsing history directly from the Reddit app in just a few steps. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap on the three lines and select Settings. Now scroll down until you find the Clear Local History option. Tap Clear Local History. When the confirmation message appears, select Clear or OK to confirm. Once you do that, Reddit will remove your local browsing history stored on your device. Keep in mind that clearing local history only removes history from your device. It does not delete your Reddit posts, comments, or account activity from Reddit servers. And that's how to clear your Reddit history quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips, tricks, and tutorials.